Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you a very quick update from Canva, which is the magic layer that they've just introduced, and it's a very wonderful feature. I just tried it and I think it is something that is worth your time and energy. This is wonderful. Let me show you how it works. You see, mostly when we create images directly from AI, like you can see these thumbnails were all created using an AI tool, it is very difficult to separate the elements. Okay, very difficult. Sometimes if you need to make some edits on the text, it becomes very difficult to edit the text or to even remove or tamper with the image. But with the help of this AI tool, I have been able to edit a number of AI generated images. You can even separate each element separately and you can have access to them and be able to edit directly. So let me show you an example. This one that is not editable, I have edited it with that magic. Okay, so you can see now this is very much editable. It is free. You can move it. Even this one and even the background is separate. See, you can click and you can move the text independently, and even the background you can move it independently as well. So this is next level, and you can see these icons, these logos, you can even move them also individually. Very professionally well crafted. Even this new, you have separated it from the text and the background. Everything had been separated into two. You can see the text can be moved easily and the background as well. Even the robot, you can see it very easily. You can kind of move it around very fantastically. So this is the wonders of this Canva magic layers. So let me demonstrate how you can use it probably on another image. So let's go ahead. Make sure you are logged into your Canva. It doesn't matter whether you're free or paid account. Let's click on the magic layer. Now you can see turn flat designs into editable layouts. You can see separate flatten AI generated designs into fully editable layouts. You control, move, resize, recolor, or replace each layer. Easily change or remove the background. Adjust to your liking without any do-overs. Okay, so let's select the media in here. So you can just go ahead and select any media that you want to use for this. Let's say I'm going to go with something like this. I kind of like this. All right, so once you finish bringing it or importing that media, you can come over. You see magic layer in here, so you just click on it and just give it some seconds, and this is now going to separate all the elements individually, and you can carry out your editings very fantastically. All right, and I believe you can see that all the elements have been broken down. You can see even this money aspect, you can see it is separate. You can move it. You can click on this one as well. As little as it is in the image, it's actually movable. You can see this text as well. You can move it. All right, it is now component by component. Select any part of it and you can move, and even the other one also is movable. You can see. Okay, now all the elements have been subdivided. You can click the robot and you can see it's easily movable. The phone also, you can see it separately. Even this, as little as this arrow is, you can see you can move it and kind of put it somewhere else. All right, so you can see this P cap and the logo on top. See, easily you can move it and put it anywhere of your choice. And this new is usually a compound element, but you can move it as well individually, even the text as well as the background. All right, this is very easy, and look at as small as this is, you can also move it. All the elements have been blown out. So that's the wonders of this magic layer that gives you the opportunity to break down all the elements into editable sections or components. I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you and see you around.